Okay, so here's a look at the starting at the far end here at Virgin Beach. How beautiful is that? Oh, so we have a few restaurant or rungs at the back here, right at the far end of the beach. Sea Cafe. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia, or just afternoon. We've just gone midday. I'm here in the Karangasem Regency here in Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a spectacular beach location called Virgin Beach. So it is quite some time since I last visited Virgin Beach. It's quite a few years actually, so I'm glad to be back here today. I'm staying in Chandidasa at the moment, so it's within touching distance to where I'm staying. I think it's only taking me around about 20 minutes drive from the accommodation where I'm staying to the beach today. So I'm going to give you a full tour around the beach. It's a beautiful white sand beach here. Beautiful crystal clear ocean, can be a bit wavy from time, as you can see the waves in the background there. So I'm going to take you around the beach. There is restaurants / warungs that line the back of the beach. Beautiful tropical palm trees as well, mountain regions that line the back of the beach. There's a little island out in the distance as well. So I'm going to give you a tour of the beach, take you around, show you some of the restaurants and things available. Seating is available, sun lounges, seating all available on the beach, obviously for a charge. Massage is available on the beach also. There's a few other activities available as well. So I'm going to take you around the beach, show you what Virgin Beach is all about. I've got the drone with me. I'm going to take the drone up. I believe that's going to give us the best footage of a beach location like this. So without any further ado, let's get on with it and share with you Virgin Beach. Okay, so here's my tickets for two people here at Virgin Beach. 20,000, 10,000, so 30,000 total. We have the car parking area here for motorbikes. The car park area is up there. And we're going to walk down onto the beach. All of these fishing boats at the back here. Okay, so here's some of the price list for things here. All available at your tourist information office here. Here we are, Virgin Beach. Virgin Beach, Bali. Oh la la, will you look at that, wow. A bit of a steep steps down. Just running past me now. Wow, beautiful crystal clear ocean. Some lounges here. Oh, you look at that. It's a bit wavy over in the corner there. Wow. Crystal clear that ocean is. Nobody on the beach really. Wow. A couple of tourists walking here. This is Virgin Bar and Kitchen in the back there. Some rock formations here. I think we're getting to the main section over here. Snorkeling available. Let's just show you what you can rent from here. Rent boat, fishing, snorkeling, sailing. There's the contact details. Yeah, rocks here. A little place for drinks and things. There's logs. Some lounges here. facilities, some red umbrella, and some tourists here. I'll just take you and show you this. Sea cafe. Some seating areas here. It's actually a few tourists here. Oh, ladies doing massage there. Just sat relaxing. Wow, so beautiful. So the ocean, I'm not sure it's on its way in or not. More tourists along here as well. Some sunbeds. Another little warung restaurant in the back here. Japan, Bali. Some of the food's available, cards accepted. Hello! Seating area inside. So we have a few restaurant warungs at the back here, right at the far end of the beach. So the ocean's coming right up. I've just got my feet wet now. Some dresses and things, bikinis. You forgot your bikini. Just a collection of restaurant warungs lining the back of the beach. Right down now, close to the. Okay, I'm right down the far end of the beach now, where we entered. This is the last place in the back here. Looks as though it's under construction. Okay, so here's a look at the starting at the far end here at Virgin Beach. How beautiful is that? Beautiful forest, mountainous backdrop there. Beautiful ocean. I think it's a bit of a high tide because the ocean's coming right in. So beautiful. Just give you a little bit of a turn around. Now zoomed in. See, there's lots of restaurants here. Lots of seating areas also. Very, very beautiful. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my visit to the absolutely spectacular Virgin Beach here in the Karangasem Regency here in Bali. So as you saw with the camera and the drone footage was the most spectacular for me in today's video because it's a beach location where you need a drone to get up high, to have a full visual of the beach area the mountains, the scenery behind the backdrop behind the beach, just really spectacular views, really beautiful white sand, crystal clear ocean beach location. And then down on the ground, walking along the back of the beach, you've got a nice collection of warungs lining the back of the beach, selling simple foods, drinks, fresh young coconuts. One of them even had clothes and things available there. I think you've got massage available on the beach. You have your sun lounges available for rent as well, also on the beach. Just a really great beach location, beautiful beach location here in the Carrington Regency. So what I'd suggest you do is, I'd suggest you sort of like double a visit to Virgin Beach up with a day tour itinerary in this area. I've been to the Turtaganga. There is other beach, Turtaganga Water Palace. There is other beach locations also in this area. There's other activities as well. There was camping available and all sorts of activities available actually from the information desk there at Virgin Beach. So lots to do in and around the area. So I'd probably recommend that you combine it with a day tour if you're travelling from all of the popular tourist locations, Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Sonor, wherever it is you may be doing the day tour from, or alternative, come and stay in the Carrington region, or Chandidasa, which is where I'm currently staying. It's around about 25-30 minutes motorbike drive from where I've stayed to Virgin Beach, but a really splendid beach location. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and take the time out to visit Virgin Beach, and I shall say bye for now.